Oh, no. Oh, man, get my net. Hurry.
Where's it at?
I don't know.
Don't sink, you mother. Freaking brand new mother. God, mother. God, here, give me that thing. Son of a. That sucks.
Right in the Goo Lagoon.
What's your flavor?
I don't want to get it too wet. I'm gonna let it dry out in the sun because now it's soaked and it'll ruin it until it dries. I was working on something, the wind caught it and blew it off from the freaking pool. Damn it. No, we won't lift it today. We're probably just gonna wind up just getting everything ready. Pull that out of there so it don't break on the way. Probably take this off for now, and then I'm gonna see if I can break this rock off around here. I don't know. I don't know what I'm in for down here for sure. This might be a little bit of a sumbitch. Might need a jackhammer. Might be the next thing. I don't remember when we put this fake rock in if we meshed it to the wall or something. I don't think so, but maybe. Then I need to find out if it's anchored to the ground or not. So I was gonna chip out some of that rock over there and see where we're at. I don't think so. What'd I do? Did I break that thing?
Huh?
I break that wheel? We can just take it off.
We can weld it. We can fix it.
We'll probably take it off. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know where that's coming from. What's it going to?
Nothing. It's in the pool.
What do you think? We got to break that off over there? Or do you think when we lift it, do you think now it'll come away from it? I kind of want to grab
I don't know.
I want to kind of grab the corner of the building and lift it just to see if it's bolted down or not.
That concrete runs under the little porch.
I guess I could back up in here and reach over there, and I can chop some of it from right here, but yeah, I don't like that. It's too close to my house, man. Okay, I need to repost myself here. Kind of a tight little area. Or if I could, man, I wish I could go underneath that thing with a strap and pick it up, but now I can dig underneath it, and I think I'm going to get the forklift in the corner and just see if the building will come off. If the building will come off the ground, hallelujah. I don't know if I anchored this one down. I hope I didn't. That other gas station we anchored down like a bitch.
Yeah, I remember seeing that.
This one here, God, that was a lot of work.
Yeah, because you ripped the floors, right?
Yeah, I don't want to tear the floors out of this little bugger, but I might have to. Because that means I got to take all the shit out of there to do it. Because right now, if it'll pick up, I'll leave everything. I might take the TV off the wall and lay it down on the bed. But other than that, I'll leave the chairs, everything in that sucker. I'll pull it up. It'll be already furnished and ready to go. But like I said, I want to rearrange it because, you know, the tours, put the bed over here, put the TV up there. I think that would be the best way.
Yeah. Just keep your son in there when you lift it up.
Leave Chase in there sleeping in his bed.
Yeah. Do it when he's
So wake up, well, what the fuck is going on around
he
here?
wakes up in Goodsprings.
We should do like a little snippet of it. What the fuck? See if my hat came back to life. Damn it. Yeah, she dried out now. I don't know. I got it broke off to there. The only other thing is to come in here and take the front of the porch off, get rid of all this shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Which we might have to.
Which we can come in and probably do all that when we're ready to move it, huh?
Yeah. Well, what I was kind of wondering right now, while I got that forklift sitting there, I'm going to reach under this corner and just tell me if it's stuck to the... We'll know.
Yeah.
But I just want to know if it's anchored down or not. Is it coming up at all? No?
It's kind of moving.
Looks like it's coming up.
How much pressure do you got on it?
I mean, I don't want to break the floor. Let's go over here where it's not by the door. Anchored? Yeah, it's pulling the block out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Damn, wish we could just break the concrete off.
Probably could.
I wonder if we can take Billy's jackhammer and jackhammer it.
Obviously that one ain't that deep.
No, they're just sitting on them.
Yeah, we'll just pull pressure on them and jackhammer them or something.
It's better than cutting holes in the floor.
Yeah. We were just seeing if the building was anchored to that concrete. And it is. So we'll take both forklifts and get some pressure on it and try to jackhammer it, because the last one, we cut holes in the floor and we didn't like that too much, so. We're gonna try something else this time. Try to get it there in one piece.
Damn it, I didn't know we needed a well, we'll get a jackhammer and jackhammer that concrete out of there. That'll be easier.
Yeah. But like I said, that's gotta be last.
Yeah, that'll be the last thing.
That's my crib. That's where I'm sleeping right now.
Well, let's see. I mean, I need to move I don't know. Now I think we should just start taking all the rest of the shit out of there.
Probably.
We'll get that light pole out of there. We'll take that truck out of there. We'll get that all cleaned up, figured out.
Pluck the fire pit out of there.
Yeah, we'll pluck it out of there. We need to do a flashback of the Showboat Hotel. I bought 4 of these that came out of the Showboat that was on Boulder Highway. Me and him used to go over there and watch the fights and shit, and go bowling.
Boxing.
Yeah, they had everything there.
Saw Hulk Hogan there.
Yeah. there a motor in it? There is? Damn, that some bitch might run.
No,
Let me see what we got.
no, not this one.
Oh, it's got a cool valve cover on it. Look at that son of a bitch.
Ugh, I love these cars.
Oh no, it does. It does have a set of pretty cool valve covers on it. Look at that. Chromed out, son of a bitch.
Looks like a chain to the bottom somewhere.
Yeah, I was gonna say we go down around the cross member or something, but pretty much in there. I didn't know I had a motor in it. I thought we didn't have one in it. You see anything you can hook it to? Can you hook it to the other side of the chain? Oh, you're gonna clear out and around, okay. We good?
Yeah, you're good. Nah, my car barely runs, dude. Getting into the shop now.
Will the steering wheel turn this way at all?
Yeah, sorry.
I got you.
That's why we're leaving, getting towed.
Okay, detail.
Nah, man, I like it like this. Spider webs and all. Dragging the bumper.
I can probably pick it up from there. Want me to lift it up so you can like rip it?
Yeah. I might need a punch and all sorts of shit.
Cool looking little car though.